Zimbabwe's latest currency experience, the Zimbabwe Gold ZIG, is being rolled out in phases, with authorities introducing new denominations while attempting to stabilize the monetary system that has struggled for over 2 decades. So, having a much watching the features of the new ZIG. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. TV now since the early 2000s, following the economic crisis that triggered the collapse of the Zimbabwe dollar in 2003, the country has cycled through multiple currency regimes, including hyperinflation, local notes, dollarization in 2009, bond notes in 2016, and the reintroduced ZIM dollar in 2019. Persistent inflation, currency volatility, and a lack of public confidence have continued to undermine these efforts, forcing authorities to repeatedly adjust monetary policy. Against this backdrop, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) has begun introducing new ZIG banknotes as part of what it says is a structured and demand-driven currency rollout. On Tuesday, the central bank released new 10 ZIG and 20 ZIG denominations, marking the first phase of the currency's wider circulation through ATM platforms. The move is intended to improve cash availability and facilitate everyday transactions. The newly introduced notes feature enhanced security elements, improved durability, and a refined design aligned with international standards. Authorities say these upgrades are meant to curb counterfeiting while increasing public trust in the currency, an issue that has historically plagued Zimbabwe's monetary systems. While the upgraded notes are now entering circulation, older ZIG notes will continue to be used and will only be phased out gradually in order to avoid disruptions in the market. In a statement, the RBZ confirmed plans to introduce higher denominations as the rollout progresses. The central bank added that ZIG coins, first introduced on 5 April 2024, have been reissued in sufficient quantities. These include 1 ZIG, 2 ZIG, and 5 ZIG coins, which are expected to support small value transactions and reduce pressure on lower denominational notes. Tomba developments aripo. Penakome section medu za funga imo tulipo mzalipe chitko ichi. Mzawana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.